Finding the perfect styling cream can completely transform your hair routine. Whether you're aiming for defined curls, smooth frizz-free strands, or long-lasting volume, the right styling cream can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best styling creams for all hair types and needs. From curly to straight, these products are designed to help you achieve the perfect style with ease. Let's get into the details of these incredible products that will elevate your hair game. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouai Curl Cream. The Ouai Curl Cream is a lightweight styling product designed to define and enhance natural curls. This curl cream not only tames frizz, but also boosts the overall texture, providing a soft and flexible hold without weighing the hair down. It is perfect for curly and wavy hair types, and its formula makes styling effortless while ensuring long-lasting curl definition. Key features: the Ouai Curl Cream is enriched with nourishing ingredients such as coconut oil, chia seed extract, and jojoba oil, which work together to hydrate and define curls. It is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it safe for color-treated hair and sensitive scalps. The cream also provides a light, natural fragrance that leaves hair smelling fresh all day long. Benefits and usage: this curl cream is perfect for those looking to enhance their natural curls or waves. It offers frizz control, adds moisture, and creates definition without the crunch that some curl creams can leave behind. To use, apply a generous amount to damp hair, scrunch it into your curls, and let it air dry or diffuse for best results. Usability: the Ouai Curl Cream is suitable for all curl types, from loose waves to tight curls, and can be used daily without feeling heavy. It's also easy to apply, and the product's smooth consistency makes it simple to distribute evenly throughout the hair. For extra volume, it can be layered with other styling products. Durability: this product comes in an 8.5-ounce bottle, which lasts quite a long time given its concentrated formula. A little goes a long way, making it an economical option for those who style their hair regularly. With proper storage, this cream can remain effective for several months without losing its quality. In the second spot, we have SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. SheaMoisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie is a well-known styling cream designed to deliver both curl definition and intense moisture. Packed with natural ingredients, this product is ideal for dry, curly, and coily hair types that need extra hydration and definition without the heaviness. Key features: infused with organic shea butter, coconut oil, and hibiscus extract, the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie helps to hydrate, nourish, and strengthen the hair. The product is sulfate-free, parabens-free, and cruelty-free, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a clean, environmentally friendly option. It also helps to add shine, reduce frizz, and enhance curl elasticity. Benefits and usage: this styling cream defines curls, smooths frizz, and promotes natural texture while providing long-lasting moisture. To use, apply a generous amount to damp hair, focusing on the ends and areas that need the most definition. For extra curl control, twist the hair into sections and allow it to air dry or use a diffuser. Usability: SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie is versatile for a wide range of curl types, from wavy to coily hair. It's rich enough for extremely dry curls, but light enough for those with finer textures. This product can also be layered with other styling products for enhanced curl definition and frizz control. Durability: this cream comes in a 12-ounce jar, which is large enough to last for several uses, especially for individuals with thicker hair. Due to its creamy consistency, only a small amount is needed each time, making it a budget-friendly option for regular curl care. The jar design also makes it easy to scoop out the right amount without any mess. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken Curvaceous Ringlet. The Redken Curvaceous Ringlet is a styling cream designed specifically for curly hair, providing definition and bounce while maintaining softness and shine. This product helps to lock in moisture, fight frizz, and keep curls defined all day long, without weighing them down or making them crunchy. Key features: the Curvaceous Ringlet Styling Cream contains Redken's exclusive Curl Memory Complex, which helps curls maintain their shape and bounce throughout the day. It also includes morena oil, which hydrates and conditions the hair. The lightweight formula is ideal for curly hair and works well with both natural and heat-styled curls. Benefits and usage: this product provides intense hydration to curly hair, allowing curls to retain their shape and definition. It reduces frizz and ensures that curls are soft and manageable, not stiff or crunchy. To use, apply a small amount to damp hair, scrunch, and either let your hair air dry or diffuse for defined curls. Usability: Redken Curvaceous Ringlet is great for all types of curly hair, from loose waves to tight curls. It can be used on a daily basis without weighing hair down, and it works well with other curl-enhancing products. Its lightweight texture ensures that it won't cause buildup or leave the hair greasy. Durability: available in both a 6.8 ounces and 33.8 ounce bottle, this product is a great investment for those with curly hair who use styling creams regularly. A small amount is sufficient for each use, meaning the bottle lasts a long time. Its pump dispenser makes it easy to apply the right amount every time, reducing waste. Taking our fourth spot is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Cream. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Cream is a versatile styling cream that works for all hair types, providing smoothness, frizz control, and shine. This product is designed to simplify the styling process by delivering results that last all day, making it perfect for those who want effortlessly smooth and manageable hair. Key features: Living Proof's Perfect Hair Day Cream is formulated with the brand's patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, which works to smooth the hair and eliminate frizz. It also contains a blend of conditioners that nourish the hair, leaving it soft and shiny. The product is safe for color-treated hair and free of silicones and parabens. Benefits and usage: this cream helps to define and smooth the hair, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. It provides long-lasting humidity resistance and helps to protect against heat styling. To use, apply a small amount to damp hair, distribute evenly, and either let your hair air dry or style as desired. Usability: Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Cream is lightweight and works well for all hair types, from fine to thick hair. It's a great option for both straight and curly hair, offering flexibility in styling. It can be layered with other products for added texture or volume, making it suitable for various styling needs. Durability: available in an 8-ounce bottle, this styling cream is long-lasting, as only a small amount is required for each use. The lightweight formula ensures it's not wasted, and its efficient design makes it easy to store and access. Regular use of this product will help maintain the health and manageability of your hair. And finally, at number 5, we have Aveda Be Curly Styling Cream. The Aveda Be Curly Styling Cream is a cult favorite styling product that defines and enhances curls while taming frizz. This lightweight cream works to create smooth, bouncy curls that hold their shape throughout the day, leaving your hair looking soft and shiny. Key features: infused with certified organic aloe vera and wheat protein, the Aveda Be Curly Styling Cream provides hydration, enhances curl definition, and reduces frizz. The product also contains a unique blend of plant-based ingredients that help to smooth the cuticle and protect the hair from environmental damage. Benefits and usage: this styling cream delivers curl definition while also adding shine and softness to your hair. It works to hydrate and control frizz, ensuring your curls stay defined without feeling crunchy. Apply a generous amount to damp hair, scrunch, and air dry or diffuse for the best results. Usability: ideal for curly and wavy hair, the Aveda Be Curly Styling Cream can be used on both wet and dry hair for enhanced definition and control. Its lightweight formula ensures that curls remain soft and bouncy, without feeling heavy or weighed down. Durability: the Aveda Be Curly Styling Cream comes in a 6.7-ounce tube, which is perfect for long-term use. A small amount is sufficient for each application, so the product lasts for months. Its sleek packaging ensures easy access to the product, and it's travel-friendly, making it perfect for on-the-go styling. And that's a wrap on our review of the top 5 best styling creams for curly and wavy hair. From curl definition to frizz control, each of these products is designed to help you achieve the perfect style with ease. Whether you're looking for hydration, volume, or smooth curls, these styling creams have got you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy styling!